Xbox right now, bro.
Bro, I didn't even know you had an Xbox.
Yeah, got a laptop, Nintendo, Xbox, PC.
Bro, you got basically almost every gaming console anyone.
What about you?
Oh, I just got an iPad and a PC and a PlayStation 3 that I rarely even use.
Oh yeah, and I got like my archive tab or whatever.
Yo, that's crazy. What's up, yo? So it is me and my friend Michael. Say what's up. Look at me.
What's up? What's good?
Alright, this is my boy's avatar. As y'all can see. And we're about to try and reach the end. And we by the way, just so you all know, I created a new playlist. It's called the Robloxian Duo. That's what we called our group.
Duo.
Yep. It's called a duo because it's two people.
Yeah.
And we're gonna play mostly Roblox, so that's why I called it the Robloxian Duo specifically. Quick side note.
Right. I'm getting beat up right now.
Oh man. Bro, I'm gonna eat your dog. Bro. Woo! Alright guys, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And Michael, do you have a YouTube channel? Michael, do you have a YouTube?
What?
Michael, do you have a YouTube?
Yeah.
What is it called?
What do you mean?
Like your YouTube channel.
Oh, YouTube channel?
Yeah, do you have one?
Nah.
Ah.
I have one with my friend. I forgot what it's called. We haven't made something in a while.
Oh, well, maybe I should be on it.
What?
Once you remember the channel name, you can go ahead and tell me.
Yeah, I remember right now.
So my boy has got a YouTube channel with his friends on it. Hopefully I will be able to be on it.
Hopefully.
But he says he doesn't know the name, so just subscribe to me until
Hey Aiden, you know Charlie?
Oh yeah, him? What about him?
Yeah, he makes like me and him like Roblox, just like Roblox like videos.
Oh, like what we just started doing.
Yeah, we make slap battle vid.
Oh nice. Okay.
You know slap battles?
Where's my chair?
Hold on. Okay, now I'm finished with the floor. Now
I don't think we need any cannons because we're gonna have some shield bubbles.
yeah, here's this chair. Yeah, you can sit that one.
Okay. It looks kind of like a fart cheek, but okay.
The boat.
Bro, it's here like a bar stool. It looks like a bar stool, bro. I don't care though.
We got the engine. Hold on.
Alright, we got everything almost.
Okay, I got my chair. Okay.
Alright.
I got the protective bubble.
Alright, I like where this is going.
Protective bubble.
I like this design. Alright, okay. Bro!
Now the balloon.
Yeah, we need them juicy balloons. Wait, whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! 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 I don't even think I should post this video on YouTube because I said that.
I might eat you for saying that.
Whoa! I mean, luckily I don't have my microphone like up into my face.
Our video's gonna get demonetized, bro.
Bro, I'm not even monetized anyways.
Whatever we say, you gotta be careful.
Yeah, I gotta be careful before I say it because YouTube does not allow sussy weirdness.
Demonetized.
Bro, I'm not even monetized. I'm serious. I'm actually not even monetized. I don't get money for my videos. But if I did, then I'd probably be I think I've been demonetized before.
Around like Deaton Dot, you know?
Just blowing up them balloons. I didn't even say anything. I said I was just blowing up them balloons.
He's not getting off, okay? No.
Blow this up. Let this go up and...
You're just playing with Deaton Dot, right?
Yeah. I love playing with Deaton Dot. It tastes really good. Wait, what?
Whoa. That's all over Deaton Dot right there.
Alright, I'm just blowing up these balloons, trying to help my boy out.
Okay, ready?
Wait, I didn't get another balloon yet.
Wait, no, I don't mean like ready like that, but like...
Oh yeah, I'm ready for this.
Oh, I'm blow up all the balloons.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and blow up this one. Oh shoot, I popped it. Alright, let me just blow this up for my boy. Alright. Okay. Ooh, this is a good hit. This is a good hit. Wait, but, don't you want that sick treasure at the end? We need to do at least one level on the ground so that way we can at least get the gold at the end. Yeah, we gotta be a Deaton Dot only for one level, and then we can be the Skibidi. Yeah, we could be Skibidi Toilet, but for now we just have to be a Deaton Dot.
Yeah.
I guess being a Deaton Dot isn't so bad, but you just gotta stay on the ground so you can get that money. Yo, money. Alright. Here we go. Alright, my boy's about to launch this. Yeah. Wait.
I forgot how you zoom out.
Oh, use the scrolling wheel on your mouse.
Hold on.
If you want to zoom out, use the scrolling wheel on your mouse.
Here we go, Deaton Dot.
But I'm like zooming in and out like a skinny toilet. Jeans. Wait, don't you wanna be on the ground so we can get that money? Yo, money.
We'll get that money. We'll get that money.
But if we just stay up, then we have to do at least one stage on the ground.
Yeah.
So which one is that?
Wait, turn it down. Mom is sleeping.
Bro, there's something wrong. Why are not all the balloons going that way?
Yeah, it's a little weird. Hold on, I'm gonna close my door. Alright, I'm gonna close my door real quick. Alright, I just closed my door. Oh, boys, I'm back. I just closed my bedroom door.
Bro, I almost just jumped off. I can't get back in my chair. Oh, I got it. Let's go, Deaton Dot.
Yeah. We're like spinning right now.
I know.
Well, imagine if we go so high that you can't even see the map. Imagine we went... Whoa! What's happening? Nothing's happening. We're just going up.
I fell, but I'm not dead.
Wait, what's the point of the shield bubble if we're like up in the air? Like, literally nothing can hit us. Oh shoot, our shield bubble went out. Bro, our shield bubble went out.
It did?
Yeah.
I'm about to die. I just died.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I just hate on my own now.
Hey, try to get in my chair to like steer yourself.
Alright. Okay, I just... Oh no, I fell. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Yeah, I didn't even get any coins. I mean, I got a few.
I think you got Deaton Dot, honestly.
Bro, I only got like a few coins. I think I got like 8 or something. I don't know.
You got like 8 Deaton Dots?
Yeah. Yeah, my broski.
I'm gonna get some Deaton Dot. Num 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 num.
Whoa! Whoa there, bro. Alright, let's see our new boat model. here we go. Let's take a look at the. Whoa! So what are we doing? We're just gonna stand here?
I just bought 3 like things to protect us.
Wait, what did you buy?
Like 3 random things to protect us.
Like what?
Look what they're called. Look what they look like. Oh, look at this. Look, Aiden.
Bro, what in the world is that? Wait, hold on. What happens if I click on it?
Spring.
Nothing is even happening. I'm clicking on it and nothing is happening.
It's a spring. You see this?
Oh wait, let me walk on it. It's not increasing my jump height. How does this work?
It's not pretty far. There's another one.
Wait, how do you use these?
I don't know.
Aren't springs supposed to like?
I think they to like get us like away from like.
I think when we hit something, it like makes us bounce off of it. I think it kind of just shoves us away from it.
It can also go like boing,
Boing!
boing.
It's like if it lands on something and like if we use the balloons and then like we need to go down and we're about to land on something that can kill us, I think the spring, and if the spring touches it first, it's gonna go boing.
Good, but nothing could get past us. Just watch.
Oh, I think I know. Okay, maybe my theory is wrong. Maybe this spring shoots stuff off, like shoots off projectiles that are hurling at us.
You wanna try it?
Sure, let's try it. Let's see if it works.
I'll put 2 chairs on top of these.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put 2 chairs on top of these. Then, yeah, I'll put 2 chairs, right here. So I'll put 1 chair right here. Then I'll put 1 chair right here. Then, and then I'll put the motor back here. What is that, Aiden?
It's my old keyboard. Ooh, we got some springs. I'm gonna take this chair. Boing like a skibby toilet.
Boing.
Boing. Wait, what?
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh shoot, I'm recording. Uh-oh.
What?
I'm recording.
You're recording?
Yeah.
There's no way.
No, I am recording. I just don't have a
I'm
webcam.
not recording.
If you guys want to see my face, I don't have a webcam, so I'm sorry.
You should not show them your face.
What? Did you just say I'm up?
No.
Why do you not want me to show my face?
Because there's a lot of hackers. Bad people. Yeah, okay, hey, you ready? You're in your chair?
I'm in my. Is my chair supposed to be like a pad?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm on it. Okay, I'm sitting on it.
Okay, so we'll see what this thing does.
Our boat design is not that good, but it'll work. Let's try it. Bro, you're literally like way over there.
Boing.
Bro, you're literally way over there, bro. Wait, where are you?
Oh, I get it now.
Wait, what does it do?
So these things are basically, like they basically stop you, basically.
Oh, they stop you.
Like they stop, like you just go leave. This could be our boat right here. Like, wait, Ian, jump off, die real quick. I think I know how to work these.
Alright, how do you work these?
So, basically, what you're gonna do,
Oh, can I show you some?
yeah.
Alright.
Nice to be Riz, you know.
It's actually ASMR.
These are reflectors.
Oh, so they shoot. So they keep things away from us by shooting them away.
Yeah.
Oh, I see why they look like springs now. Like,
Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to shoot us away from things that could hurt us. But in reality, that would probably
No, these are just to keep, like, the boat together, like,
oh,
basically.
so I guess they just keep the boat together.
Yeah. But if we sit on these, we could be, like, free, like, we can stop everything from hitting us.
Hey, that sounds pretty lit.
Look how far this goes. See this?
Wait.
See that, bro?
Oh my god! Dude! That goes so far! That goes so far, like my hair, like my forehead and hairline. Quick side note, I basically just said I have a big forehead. Okay.
Over here by me, bro.
Bro, that thing goes farther than my forehead and hairline.
There you go. Your chair's over there.
My chair is over here. Where's my chair? Where's my chair?
No.
Bro, our boat is like literally like split up.
Ready.
Well, I'm not ready. I'm not on my chair. Where's my chair, bro?
Sit in my chair. Sit in my chair.
Okay.
Go forward, hop. There you go. Okay, ready? Almost ready to launch?
Yup. Alright. This boat looks kind of weak, but here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, boys, here we go. We just launched. And this is the reality, alright? So, yeah, it's pretty sick.
We have another one over there.
Yo! Bro, I can't even see you!
Bro, if you attach a bunch of these together...
Bro! Oh shoot, I died.
Hey, I'm seeing on that chair just going.
Bro, I just died! Bro!
That's crazy.
Bro, I literally died. Oh my gosh.
I'm about to die. Yeah? What? No, wait, do that again. Yeah, you're leaning on the wall. You gotta do here. Okay. That's not true, you're just leaning. Hayden.
Yeah? Yo! Yeah?
Hold on. Give me toilet. Wait. Wait. Stop.
Hey Michael, do you have the lookout pole item?
What?
Do you have the lookout pole item?
Like, what do you mean? Like, what does it look like?
It's like this tall pole with like a platform on top.
I think so.
Bro, what if that could be our boat? Imagine if that could be our boat, where our boat's like at the top.
Yeah. I got an idea.
What?
Or how about we attach the motor to the back of the chair?
attach the motor to the back of the captain's chair.
No, the back to the both of the chairs.
Ooh. Let's see what that does.
Yeah, actually, I'll do that.
Oh wait, but only the captain's chair can you actually operate the motor.
I know, then, actually, yeah, you're right. Actually, okay, yeah, one chair will be the captain's chair, okay?
Okay.
Well, we could just do like this, like. No, this would be nice. Be captain's chair too.
Ooh, king's chair. I'm in a king's chair.
Yeah.
I love the almighty king's chair. This is the almighty king's chair. Alright guys, this is the almighty king's chair. Take a screenshot if you want. I'm just gonna do it right here for the thumbnail.
What?
I'm just gonna pause, right? I'm just gonna stop moving my camera around to do a thumbnail. Hopefully it auto-generates. I will choose that thumbnail. But any thumbnail works, honestly. I honestly just don't care. But anyways, here's me in my... I'm ready. Alright bro, I'm ready.
I can make a few adjustments.
Alright, let's make some adjustments and then let's eat the boat. Let's add some adjustments and then we'll eat them and then we'll launch.
I got the motor attached.
Nice!
Okay, ready?
Yeah!
Hold on in there.
Alright boys, let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Alright boys, this is my chair. I got all...
I'll make sure it's attached.
For those of you who want to see my king's chair, here it is. And I'm just sitting in the throne. Yes, it's a throne because it's like a tall chair.
I'm gonna use one of these and attach both. Make sure the two of them are attached.
Oh, okay, I think we need more of the ropes.
So I wanted to make sure both the chairs were attached because both the chairs are not attached. Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Bro, we got a motor attached to our chair.
Bruh, that's just crazy. What happened? Oh shoot, I'm upside down. Yo! Bro, literally upside down. Oh, I died. I died right away, bro. That was just too fast.
Bro, I can just do it like this.
Bro, I'm not even alive anymore. I just died.
Okay, hold on. Let's see how far I can make it.
Bro, judging by how fast I died, I don't think you can make it that far. No offense.
What's like my goal, you think?
I'm gonna buy some more ladders.
Aiden, how far do you think I'll make it?
Judging by how fast I died, I don't think you'll make it that far. No offense.
Like how many stages? How many stages do you thinking?
Probably like 3. No offense.
3?
Oh, wait, Michael. Can I buy?
If I make it more than 3, I'm gonna prove you wrong.
Alright, wait, Michael.
Yeah.
Can I buy the balloons, or is it like a rare chance that I'll get it in a chest?
There's a chance you can get it in a chest.
So I can't just buy it from the shop.
You can.
Oh, where is it?
No, my chair! I just died.
Wait, so where is it? Where's the balloon?
There's like this,
There's like millions and millions of items in here, bro. The balloon, yeah.
It's the 13th one up to the very left.
Okay, so first column, 13th row from the bottom.
What?
First column, 13th row from the bottom.
Yes, and then when you get to the 13th row, to the very left, click on balloons. It should say you can buy 3 balloons for 45. Who wanna buy some parachutes?
Oh, nice.
I love buying some parachutes.
Yeah, I found one that says I can buy 3 for 45.
Yeah, are you on the 13th column to the left?
You mean the 13th row?
Yeah.
From the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, I clicked it and I'm gonna hit buy.
Bro, in case we fall, I'm gonna place a parachute, bro.
Oh, I got a parachute?
Yeah.
Yo, this one's super lit. I just bought a balloon. I just bought a balloon. I'm not capping. I literally bought the balloon.
Oh yeah.
It's a balloon. It's a balloon. It's a balloon that I'm about to munch on. Whoa, whoa!
When will dinner be done? Okay. Good enough.
Oh, shoot.
Wow.
Oh, nothing. It's just something with my mouse right now.
Bro,
I'm gonna reset my character real quick.
what? Yeah.
I just reset my character.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming back. Oh, God. Alright, I'm on my way. Oh.
I got beans, son.
Alright, bro, let me just find the... Oh, shoot. There we go.
Sure, Aiden, make sure to get the beans.
Yo! I'm still recording, by the way.
Okay. We still got the beans.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let me just find it. Let me just find the balloon.
Now she loves your socks. Let her eat it. Let her eat your stuff, Dad. Let her go nom.
Whoa, whoa!
No,
Wait, what? Alright, I think I just found the balloon in my inventory. Oh, wait, that's not the balloon. I'm trying to find it in my inventory.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make sure it's attached to parachute, bro.
Oh, Michael, I didn't find it, but I found something else.
That's the parachute spot.
Yeah, I didn't find it, but I found something else.
Okay.
Alright, do you want this on the boat?
What?
Do you want this on the boat?
Well, it depends what it is.
It's basically like a...
Are you walking?
It's like a speed boost, basically.
You just bought a rocket, bro.
Bro, this is not a rocket. It's too small.
Wait, come on. Place it over here. Bro, you bought a whole lot. That's what gives us so much speed.
I know. It gives us a lot of speed. Alright. Where do you want me to put it?
We're gonna go through the air. Hold on. I already placed the balloons. We'll go through the air.
Alright, but do we want to go through the air speeding? That's the ultimate question.
Yeah.
Alright, where do you want me to put it? I only have 2, by the way. Alright, do you like that location?
Okay, hold on. I got the balloons.
Do you like that location, or is it too saucy?
Put it like right next to the blue thing.
Right next to the what?
Blue thing.
Oh, wait, what blue thing?
Right here, where I'm at. Place it right there.
Oh, okay, so you want it right here.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, perfect. Don't move it.
Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna change the angle of it because it's the wrong angle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place that baby. That'll work. I'm just blowing these balloons right now. While my boy is setting up everything else. Bro, we literally got a gosh dang parachute.
Yeah, we got parachute. Just make sure.
That's how you.
Why you know the Polish?
I'm not.
No. Okay, don't even mess. What are you doing? I'm gonna eat you.
Whoa! Whoa!
No.
Wait, whoa! Yo, we literally have a parachute. That's so sick. Wait. Oh, I can't. Hey, why are you bumping the balloons? I literally did an epic Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. I said Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Love it. Oh shoot, this balloon's already blown up. Dang, I'm literally in the captain's chair. No. I don't want to be in the captain's chair. My friend is supposed to be in the captain's chair, not me.
I'm gonna place the loader right next to you.
I call dibs on that. I'm in the wrong chair. 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 I'm in the wrong chair.
How dare you be in the wrong chair?
Bro, I'm literally on top of the balloon. Never mind.
This ball is crazy. Teacher,
This boat is crazier than the size of my butt. This boat is crazier than the size. This boat is crazier than my weight. Yo, Michael. This boat is more crazier than the amount of weight, than the amount of pounds I have.
Okay.
It's crazier than my weight. Oh. Okay. Ooh, yeah.
Hold on, don't touch the rocket until I turn around. You're facing the wrong way.
Okay.
Aim the chair is like at the very front.
Where's my chair?
Go forward. Perfect.
Yay, I'm in a pad. Alright, sure, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Let's go to Ohio. What the heck happened? Whoa. What is happening? What is happening, dude? Oh my gosh! We're already up in the air, bro. This is crazy. Na 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 na. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where we're still going.
I think you placed it the wrong way.
I did. I did place it the wrong way. Yeah?
I think I'm done for today, okay? Yeah, just call back later. And
Yeah?
maybe I'll call you back a little later, okay?
Alright, what time?
Probably 8, I guess. Bye.
Alright, bye. Alright guys, so my bro is done right now, is done for now, so I'm gonna end the recording right here.